What is good, Ruth crew? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So to read y'all, if you are new to the channel, please like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and leave some suggestions down below if you want to. I don't know if I'll get to it, but feel free to leave it if you want to. You know, maybe one day in a blue moon. Y'all, anyways, y'all, I've never reacted to a Doja Cat song on my YouTube channel because reacting to big time artists will get your shit copyrighted. Like, YouTube eats up your content. Like, it will be like, hell to the no, no, no. You thought you was gonna post that shit, bitch? You fucking thought. Not on my watch. And it'll block your videos. I'm gonna try and react to Doja. If it doesn't reach this channel, just know YouTube doesn't want me to motherfucking succeed, alright? Alright, we're gonna jump right into it though. Space shit. Those songs got some weird shit on her. When I was younger and I would watch music videos, I'd be watching this shit and I'd be like, yo, I wish this was a movie. Like, it looks so cool. What's part 2? Here we go. Guardians of the motherfucking Galaxy. Oh, shit. Oh, those nails tight.
Yeah, wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like.
Baby, come throw the pipe. I just wanna know what it's like. She bad, y'all. She real bad. Bad and crazy. Like, I barely recognized that this was her. But she looks so badass as a fucking alien. Body on 20. Natural. Go ahead.
What's your size? Add, subtract, divide. Daddy don't throw no curves. Hold up, I'm going wide. We could just start at 10. Then we could go to 5. I don't play with my pen.
We can start at 10 and go to 5. 5 what? Rounds? Oh, if y'all doing 5 to 10 rounds, you need Jesus. Like, your cooter should be falling off, flapping in the wind.
Aiming what I write, yeah, yeah.
Uber.
This got sexual. Tell me you're scheduled. I got a lot of new tricks for you, baby. Just saying I'm flexible. I do what I can to get you off. Might just fucking with my makeup on. Either like I need an apron on. Either till I need to change my tone.
I can fuck him with my makeup on. Ooh, these female rappers / singers go crazy.
Do it to your favorite song. Take a ride into the danger zone. You know my nigga be bugging me. I just be wondering if you could fuck with me better. Itching for me like an ugly sweater. Need it in me like a checking each other. I need to know. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't really got no tights. I just wanna fuck all night. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh. Baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like. Yeah, yeah. Oh, oh, oh.
This is one of those songs, like, if you ever want to, like, get into it, like, with your significant other, male or female, whatever the hell y'all got into these days. Like, it's one you do a slow, powerful walk, and then you're like that, and then like that. Like, yo, this should be on, you know that one, what's that one, Harley Quinn. Yes, she would do perfect with this song. Like, if her and a Joker scene.
Baby, I need to know. You're exciting, boy, come find me. Your eyes told me, girl, come right.
You're the only normal looking person here.
Both us fighting, could he try? Most likely. Trying to see if you can handle the sass. Probably give his ass a panic attack. Sorry if I gave a random erection. Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Oh, wait, you a
Probably thinking I'm a telekinetic. Yo, I didn't think Doja was this good at what she did, but she's really good at what she does. Like, good as fuck. And I'm only saying that because she just, like, she actually sounds space like, but she can actually sing in real life. And that's some people that be pushing the auto-tune too far, okay? Folks be lying, they can sing.
And the magic poof pussy like an Alakazam. I heard
Poof, pussy like Alakazam. Oh, TikTok finna take this shit and run with it. They finna just zoot it and boot it out of there. They finna use this line like it ain't nothing. This is gonna be the new female anthem.
from a friend of a friend, that dick was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it just one night, man. Drink with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Me, slap me, choke me, bite me. Wait, I can take it, give a fuck about what your wife is saying.
I can take it, give a fuck what your wife is saying. Don't empower these people to be, messing with married men. And she said, look, y'all, look at this first part she said.
I can't stand him. I heard from a friend of a friend that dick was a 10 out of 10. I can't stand it just one night, man. Drink with the drink, give me a sip. Tell me what you can, give me the dick. Me, slap me, choke me, bite me. Wait.
They finna spank me, tie me, choke me, bite me. People are going to those BDSM, or how do I say, those people that be into that dom and submissive shit. They gonna use that dumb shit in TikTok.
I can take it, give a fuck about what your wife is saying. Wanna know what it's like? Baby, show me what it's like. I don't want the guy to tight. I don't wanna fuck all night. Yeah.
She going crazy, bruh.
Baby, I need to know. I just been fantasizing, and we got a lot of time. Baby, come throw the pipe. Gotta know what it's like. Yeah. Baby, I need to know.
For the club up. Oh my god. He looks like that guy from 1982. That dystopian society, that book that y'all read when y'all were younger. He looks like that guy. Y'all, with the Big Brother and what's the name of it? 1982 or 1984? He looks like him, y'all. Folks crazy, bro. But she did that shit. Gave me Guardians of the Galaxy vibes. She cold, bro. 1 million. Ooh. 1 million likes. She bad. And she knows it. Dear parents, just wanted to know, just because your child is smiling at their phone doesn't mean they have a boyfriend or girlfriend. They're just watching this masterpiece. I just love... Oh, why does it keep moving up when I'm supposed to be going? I love that Grimes is in this because this acting type of world she would create her own music videos in it. I'm so glad she is still a weirdo. This is the best ever. The thing I love about her is that she's so seductive with how she moves, raps, sings. She's a living Aphrodisiac. I don't know how to fucking pronounce that. She does not waste one beat. I'm so glad she didn't have anyone feature on this track. They would have ruined it. Sometimes features be ruining music, no cap. One thing about Doja Cat, she never disappoints. Whoop-de-whoop. If I had a body like Doja, I wouldn't know how to act. Oh my god, look y'all. I'm itty bitty pretty. Whatever, slim. This. I'm just slim, y'all. Like, not thick at all. But no, we ain't bad. Anyways, y'all, respectfully, please like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube video. And if you fuck with Doja, fucking subscribe to her. But before you subscribe to her ass, subscribe to me. Like, hey, help a sister out. Either way, y'all, please like, comment, subscribe to this YouTube video. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.